Are you between 18 and 30? Looking for a bank account that actually works for your lifestyle? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best bank accounts for young adults in 2025, whether you're a student, freelancer, or just starting your career. Let's dive in. Chime. Best for no fees and simplicity. Chime is still killing it in 2025. No monthly fees, no minimum balance, and you get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Plus, their Spot Me feature lets you overdraft up to $200 with no fees. That's a lifesaver for tight months. If you want a sleek mobile app, instant alerts, and modern banking, Chime is hard to beat. Current. Best for spending and saving tools. Current gives you the feel of a high-tech bank, with smart budgeting tools built in. You can set up savings pods, earn up to 4% APY, and manage everything from your phone. Young adults love it for one reason: it makes money management easy, and you can earn cashback at tons of stores. No annoying fees either. Capital One 360. Checking. Best traditional bank option. Want the benefits of a big bank without the hidden fees? Capital One 360. Checking has you covered. There's no monthly fee, no overdraft fee if you opt in for free protection. And their app is clean, simple, and powerful. You also get access to physical branches, which is rare these days. Discover Cashback Debit. Best for rewards. Yes, a debit card with cashback. With Discover's Cashback Debit, you earn 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in purchases per month. That's real money back just for using your card. No monthly fees. No minimum balance. And no fees for out-of-network ATMs. Discover reimburses up to $30 per month. Great for people who want credit card perks without using credit. SoFi checking and savings. Best for high interest. SoFi combines checking and savings into one slick package. Earn up to 4.60% APY on your savings and 0.50% on checking. That's miles ahead of most banks. Plus, no account fees, no overdraft fees, and access to a network of over 55,000 ATMs. You'll also get access to free financial advice, investing, and even loan options, all inside the app. Perfect for building your financial future. Ally Bank. Best all around. Online bank. Ally is built for people who love doing everything online. No branches, no problem. You get 24/7 live customer support, no maintenance fees, and one of the best savings accounts on the market, with strong interest rates and easy tools to automate savings. Their user experience is super smooth. It's the online banking standard for a reason. Ready to open a new account? Check the links in the description for full reviews and sign-up bonuses. And if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let us know which bank you're choosing in the comments. Your money, your rules. Let's make 2025 your smartest year yet.